Hey tech friends, welcome back into Tutorial. In the video, we are going to learn how to make Chrome as a default browser on your mobile device. So in this, I will guide on of the easiest and step-by-step process to make Chrome as a default browser on your mobile device. So let's dive into our video. First of all, open your setting application on mobile device. After opening that application, search for app or app notification. Now you can see here, app option is there. Tap on this. Inside that, now you can see here manage app option is there. Tap on this. Inside that, now you can see here on the top on the right side 3 dot option is there. Tap on this. Inside that, you will get other setting option. Tap on this. Yeah, now you can see here default app option is there. Tap on this. Inside that, now you can see here mine already Chrome as a default browser, but if your is not in that default, so you have to go in this and you can select from here which one is you like, but here we are for change as a Chrome as a default browser. After that, after selecting that, it will be asking some option, make as a OK. So in this way you can make the Chrome as a default browser for your mobile device. So if you like this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.